work. Yeah,
All right,
that'll work.
Come back to the continuation of the putting up the gazebo, and in the last one you saw that we'd put it down below, but we hadn't quite finished it, and I lost the video for finishing it. So these are your 4. This is your 4, and these are your 3s on outside, and then they go into your plastic A, B, and C. I'm not sure what they're called. Knuckles, I guess. And this is 5, and that's 6. 6 has got a like a ladder setup system, so you've got a peak and a top that goes on. It you know, vents, and of course your legs are 1 and 2. Then you got the little these little hangers here for the netting. We'll be doing that here in a minute. But we decided to bring it up here. We're not going to be down by the pool anymore. The kids have gone home, so to speak. So I'm going to securing this thing to the deck. I got to get that off of them, of course. But I really needed that. It died on me. So using the keys. I think it's going to be pretty nice, because nice sun.
I must have known it was going to go up here because look at it, matches the set. Look at it, dude.
Yeah.
The dark brown and the tan.
Yeah, yeah.
It looks like that plant.
Unfortunately, this plant hanger's got to go.
That's okay. I'll find a place to relocate it. No biggie. I'd rather have a place to sit and relax and have a cup of coffee.
Outside.
And just sit and wait for whatever I'm cooking on the grill to get done.
Alright. Let's come closer here. Make sure I get that square there. I'm just going to go right up in the corner.
You want me to move this chair out of your way?
No.
So when you get ready to screw
that
in?
That'd be alright. Yeah. Okay. I'm just going to tack the... where they are going to be for.
I just think that's the best idea.
Yeah.
I'm surprised we didn't have our poles get ruined with the wind.
No. I think we're alright. Okay, so that one's there because that's where the pole is there. Right there.
Yeah, I'll see if I can find us a piece of 9x9 carpet to go out here. Indoor, outdoor.
Yeah. Alright.
That'd be pretty.
Yeah.
Everything's on sale at, I just got a coupon for 20 off on 100.
Okay. Sure there's
so it won't cost me much if I buy some groceries while I'm there.
Alright.
Hi, Pooh.
Yeah.
You don't know what we're doing.
Oh, I know.
You're okay, buddy.
Okay. I'll probably...
You're okay.
Tether.
You're a good boy. Yes, you are. You're such a good boy.
Tether those out a little bit.
Good man. Yes. Getting me all wet.
Tether
His muddy feet.
Tether them out. The Okay.
Yeah, that'll be nice.
I don't know about going anywhere.
Lexi and I'll get it finished while you're at work tomorrow.
That'll keep those from
Well, that's what I wanted to be sure, that they're not going nowhere.
go anywhere.
I just don't want them going anywhere.
No, we.
Honey, it's over a little bit according to this.
Yeah, I know, because it's according to the. It's set up because of this pole in the way. Yeah. These little feet here. Fortunately, they don't. I think I can pull it up. Okay, good. Should be facing out.
But your other foot is on this.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. But if I'm going to keep it close to here, then I got no choice.
So then you're going to have to move that other foot.
Yeah, just into the.
Okay, no. I just wanted to make sure it was squared so that it stands upright.
Yeah. Well,
so we don't have an issue with it.
I may even get a clamp. Screw that right to that.
You're going to interfere with the screen.
I don't want to do something better. Okay.
Unless you don't want the screen up on it.
No, I think I'll be alright.
But if we don't put the screen over here, it kind of defeats the purpose of keeping the bugs out.
Yeah.
They'll come through anyway.
Yeah. Okay, this one here. Same way. These didn't get turned out like they needed to because you got your D-ring that go in that. But, okay.
Honey, don't we have to pull it so it's straddling this line?
What?
That.
No, I got it at an angle. It's at an angle. I'm gonna keep as much, against here as possible.
Oh.
Oh, what? Okay, well.
I'm the OCD lady, right? Right?
Yeah. But now, put your back against the wall there. And that's crossing the line there. And now I don't have a place to put this. I had it crisscrossed. Now I can move those.
Do what you want to do, dude.
No.
Do what you want to do.
Too late!
Do what you want to do.
Too late. Up for out. Okay. Okay, pull this one back out again.